Let them. Where are you guys? Let's see. They're all on the play area. They love this. Wait, where's Hey, Cloud, what are you doing in Tori's cage? I have food here. Come on. Okay. So down. This is awesome tea. And while E a little mad at me right now. Yeah, here comes Tori. Here she comes. Oops. Sorry, Tori, I didn't fix your ladder. The ladder is supposed to go all the way through, but it's okay. There you go. There you go. You'll be okay. And the apples. Tori loves apples. Now what I find is the parakeets will copy Tori in like the plays and stuff. They don't grab food with their feet like Tori does, but they learn to do the flip on the cage and things like that. Now, Ray Ray is eating the mash first. So, but she's the first one to pick out the fruits and vegetables. But she's picking out the seeds today, it looks like. So yeah, this is the morning ritual. Oh, that's nice, Tori. You're sharing. Good girl. They they were not, see, before I was feeding them in their cages, and then I was letting them out after their feeding. But I found that this works out much better where they're communal, so it kind of brings them closer. Like you see Cloud eating off of Tori's apple. This was like a big no-no. Like Tori would like, you know, be aggressive. But I see them help each other. Like Tori will, Cloud is the white one, the white parakeet there. He is the most experienced in flying. He flies around the house like there's like no big deal. Ray Ray can't quite do that, although she'll try. And Tori can sort of do that, but not really either. She's kind of like the same level as Ray Ray. Like, Cloud is very comfortable flying. And so sometimes what happens is Tori will get frightened about something, and then she'll panic and she'll come flying down, like say like near Snowy's cage or in the kitchen, and then immediately Cloud will fly after her, and then kind of like fly back to say, hey, come on back, you know, and then he'll constantly do that. So it's really neat to watch them interacting. And like I said, when I was training Step Up with Cloud and Ray Ray, Tori was a big sis in trying to, you know, help them. You know, because they take after her lead. So she helped me quite a bit. So there's a lot of teamwork. And when I put them in that small cage on a sunny day, you know, you would think they're going to be fighting, but they don't. They're very good with each other, and they like to stay close to each other. So I started to feed them this way, and it kind of brought them a little closer together. So I'm very happy because then nobody feels Yeah. Was that yummy? And she's complaining because I don't have water up there. I'll get your water. I'll get your water. You see that? And now she doesn't like to be bothered when she's trying to, but then she doesn't mind afterwards when she gets up at the top and then they come and fly. Because they're always together. But every now and then, she gets